Cozy Corner or Vignette is an open invite collaboration hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Also hosting with Sharon is Design with Emma, Tablescape by Candy, Diva Decorating, The Ariel Lifestyle, Sasu Glam Style, Decorate with Us, Mabel's Tables, J Mom's Creations, Z9Designs, Creations by Simone, Annalise Cupboard, and It's Me, Coaxum. Be sure to show everyone some love by subscribing, giving a thumbs up, saving, and commenting on each channel, and use the hashtag CozyCorner23. This week, we will be making a cozy corner or styling small vignette. I chose Cozy Corner where I can read, sip on some hot tea, or meditate on the goodness of God. I have a chaise lounge in a corner that was styled fall winter. Today, I am changing it to spring summer. I removed the fall winter decor and I'm putting up my bright spring summer vibe. I had a jar with fall floral and I changed it to green stems that I purchased from Pier 1. Then my new candlestick side table that I made last week with a book to read on top and a flower to enjoy. I took down the moody picture on the wall and hung my new wood planters with succulents. Those were made with the clab. What would you make? A bright pink throw with a gray pillow graced the chaise lounge. Well, I'm going to take some time and enjoy what I have put together. Z9Designs family, I sure do appreciate you. The winner for reaching my goal of 900 is the Grace Life DIY. You may be next, so keep watching. I'm heading toward 1,000 and another prize will be awarded. That is all, Z9Design family. Remember, love is putting another person before yourself. That's all. I hope you enjoy. See you later next time. Bye-bye. I think I'll do some reading.